If you don't figure out how to make money outside your job in 2025, you are done. The economy is shifting, AI is replacing jobs, and you are still stuck thinking the old way. Trading time for money, waiting for promotions. You are playing a losing game. But here's the truth, they don't want you to know. There are 3 side hustles that anyone can start today without quitting your job, without a degree, and without years of experience. And they actually work. Stay until the end because 3 is the easiest and most scalable. Maybe you have tried something before. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, some online side gig and failed. Or maybe you are stuck in research modes, watching videos, overthinking, never actually starting. I was there too. The problem isn't that side hustle don't work. It's that people pick the wrong ones. They chase hype, they expect overnight success, and when they don't see results in 30 days, they quit. That's why today, I am not just giving you side hustle ideas, I am giving you a bulletproof roadmap, proven step-by-step framework to make real money in 2025. Companies are desperate for content, automation, and AI-driven solutions, but they don't know how to use AI properly. You can charge them for a service that AI does 80% of the work for you. And here's how you can start in 7 days. Pick a high-demand service fast. Copywriting, video editing, AI-generated graphics, or even LinkedIn content writing. These are things business owners will gladly pay for. Then leverage AI to do the heavy lifting. Use ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for graphics, Descript for video editing, and Runway ML for automation. Learn the basics and you are ahead of 99% of people. Now it's time to find out your first clients. Skip Upwork and Fiverr. Instead, go directly to the businesses on LinkedIn or Twitter. Find people who need content. DM them with a quick audit and offer one free sample. Once they see the value, they will pay. And you won't believe many people are started by using these steps, but right now they are running a full-time agency and making over $10,000 per month. And you also can do that. People spend billions on digital products, ebooks, templates, and online courses. You create it once and sell it forever. No inventory, no overhead, pure profit. Here's how you can start it in 7 days. Identify a problem you can solve. Think about your skill. If you are good at fitness, sell a meal plan. If you love budgeting, create a financial tracker. Then create a simple digital product. Use Canva, Notion, or Google Docs. Keep it super simple but valuable. Now it's time to sell. List the product on Gumroad, Etsy, or even Twitter X. Use paid ads or build a community by providing free valuable content and gradually scale and automate it. If you sell $10 digital product to 1,000 people, you can easily make $10,000 and gradually you can launch your premium products. YouTube is the only social media platform that pays you directly. You don't need to be on camera and you don't need expensive equipment, just AI tools and smart scripting. Here's how you can start it in 7 days. First, choose a profitable niche. AI, businesses, finance, luxury content, or even you can try something funny or entertaining content. Then use ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Lab for voiceover, or you can try your own voice and use CapCut for editing. That's it. There are many faceless YouTube channels making over $10,000 per month. Now the choice is yours. Most people will watch this and do nothing. But if you take action today, you could be making your first $1,000 online within a month. The question is, which one are you starting? Comment below and comment.